guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking you through how I painted these curves on this little nest of tables. It worked out really nice, so I thought I'd share. As usual, go check out my prep video, which tells you all of the steps you need to know on how to prep a piece, because I'm starting with a fully painted piece, that was hard to say, in navy. So I've just drawn two lines. This is equal distance to here. And then I used a plate to get this line. I've got this trick from Happy Retro Furniture, so I'm excited to try it. Taped over where I drew the circle with the plate, and then I'm just going to put the plate back over it, trace it once again, and then cut around the plate, if that makes sense. I haven't done this before. I don't know if I've cut it well enough. Okay, I'm just peeling off because I've cut around the plate now. Hopefully I will have a perfect curve. I used a more extreme curve for doing the inner part of it, but it's the same steps. So I've got one stripe done. You will have to excuse my dad there, attempting to flip off the camera, but really he just did a peace sign. So I just painted it on with a brush. I think that was a mix of two fusion colours, so it's a mix of Liberty Blue and Azure, I think it's called. So for the inner curve, then on the second stripe, I did the same thing with a more extreme curve, but I also just cut in where this lighter colour meets the darker colour stripe, and I'm just doing that for each step. So where it meets the next colour, I'm just cutting in, because I've already done that curve perfectly and masked it, so there's no need to mask it again. But I'm masking the new one that is meeting the navy. This will make more sense when you see it all together. But yeah, and then just peel off your masking tape while wet. I just repeated those steps over and over again, and it's something you can apply to something else. You can see here that I did it on a lovely sideboard, so you can definitely apply it to lots of different pieces. I'm showing you the piece in its entirety here because I think it worked out really cool. So when you put the table away, you can't tell that there's these cool stripes on it, and on the inside of the bigger table it's like a bright pink. So when you put the tables away, it looks all plain, and then you bring it out and it's a super big pop of colour. So I love doing this. I hope you like this video, and if you try it, of course, make sure to tag me. Thanks so much, guys.